Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Dona Sabel. I'm from PBIC and I will reading the journal. The implementation of the Cambridge Lower Secondary English Curriculum Teacher Voice at one private school in Palembang by Muhammad Hollandia, Dian Erlina, Leni Marzulina, Dia Yulianti. Abstract. The Cambridge curriculum is one of the international curricula. In Indonesia, Cambridge curriculum has been implemented especially for teaching English. This study was aimed at finding out English teachers' perception toward the implementation of Cambridge Lower Secondary English curriculum at one private school in Palembang, Indonesia. A qualitative design with a case study was employed for this study. The data were gathered through in-depth interviews with two English teachers. Thematic analysis was used to analyze the research data. The result of the study reflects the three stages of implementing the curriculum. 1. Program development. 2. Implementation of learning. And 3. Evaluation. Introduction. English has become a subject that is taught to the student at school. Johnson, 2017. Defined that there are various reasons for learning foreign language, which are for study purposes, adapting to the new culture of the country in which someone lives, for international communication with people from different countries, and for international communication with people from within their country. The learning process consists of supporting materials and strategy included in the activity during the learning process take place. According to Lismina 2017, the components of the curriculum consist of aim, material, learning strategy, and evaluation. Moreover, a study conducted by Sukmawati 2021 showed that a curriculum has components such as the development of objectives, material or contents, strategy or method, also tools and research, which consists of evaluation. In short, a curriculum is one of the elements in teaching that consists of components involved which will achieve the aim or objective of a curriculum in itself. A curriculum allows an administrator to provide a dynamic educational program for a current or prospective student. Schools, college, and university attract students with a variety of qualitative, competitive, and flexible program curricula. The curriculum offers teachers provides ideas and strategies for teachers to use in enhancing student progress. A student must meet certain academic requirements to go to the next level. Without a guidance of a curriculum, teachers cannot be used that they have supplied the necessary knowledge or the opportunity for students at the next level, whether that level involves a high school, college, or career. The curriculum gives a student and will be used in mass of academic courses that appear to lead nowhere if they do not have such knowledge. They will have no assurance that they are taking two proper subjects toward a diploma or degree. A curriculum promotes a sense of order and structure in the process of academic success. Previous related studies. In this point, some previous studies are described. The first study was conducted by Kusmawati 2019 until implementasi curriculum Cambridge dalam pembelajaran bahasa Inggris, which has similarity that focus on describing implementation learning English at Sekolah Dasar Kristen Kalam Kudus, Surakarta. The study has resulted that the implementation of the Cambridge curriculum is carried out through planning, implementing, and evaluating learning activities by teacher competence. Another patent point is evaluation of Cambridge curriculum implementation is about supporting also obstacle factor. The obstacles found were limited English skills, limited time, and limited facilities have been overcome with various efforts. For the limited English skills, the teachers joined English course and attends a training seminar held by Cambridge. Then the school also held as English Day program at the end of learning program. Second, for the limited time, the teachers made a summary of the material so that students were able to learn independently. Last, for the limited facility, the school tried to aid a computer or laptop in learning school. Methodology, research design, site and respondents. Qualitative research with a case study approach was selected in order to know such a phenomenon dealing with the teacher's perception towards the implementation of Cambridge Lower Secondary English curriculum at one private school in Palembang. A case study means that we can explore and understand an issue or problem by using a case. Case means a process, activity, or program in real life. According to Hamilton and Whittier, a case study emerges as a positive proof point capable of deepening comprehension in real-world context rather than just presenting contextualized facts. Furthermore, qualitative research with a case study was used to find out the teacher's perception. In this study, we chose the teachers to be the participant because we would like to know how the teacher ran the curriculum for the student throughout the learning process. We use purposeful sampling techniques for choosing the participant of the study. Total sampling was selected from several types of purpose sampling. According to DiFedeva 2015, the total population is type of purpose sampling in which a researcher uses total sampling when a researcher selects the entire population. There were 2 teachers who taught in SIS secondary 3-4, which is all of the teachers who taught English for lower secondary to be our perception. Findings. The interview was conducted to find out the teacher's perception on the implementation of Cambridge Lower Secondary English curriculum. After gaining the data from interview, the data was analyzed by using thematic analysis. Conclusion and recommendation or implication. Based on the result of the thematic analysis of the data, we found the 3 stages of implementing Cambridge Lower Secondary English curriculum. That were program development, implementation of learning, and evaluation. The first stage was program development. There were 6 points in program development. 6 points in this stage, they were the teachers adapt the teaching plan from Cambridge Lower Secondary English curriculum in the school's needs. The teacher follow and adjust the theme of work or SOW English as a guideline in the English instruction. The teachers adapt Cambridge Lower Secondary English curriculum materials for English instruction. The teachers create a unit plan for the English instruction. The teacher use a variety of material research for the English instruction, and the teachers prepare students to follow Cambridge Lower Secondary English checkpoint. The second stage was implementation of learning. That were 6 points in the second stage. That were the Cambridge Lower Secondary English placed more focus on student writing skills. The teachers aimed a student during the learning process by having them reflect on their daily lives in relation to the English instruction. The teachers reflect themselves on the teachers attribute such a confidence in teaching the Cambridge Lower Secondary English curriculum. The material provide an opportunity for students to attribute such a confidence and relative by using Cambridge Lower Secondary English curriculum. The student and the teachers use English as media instruction at school, and the Cambridge Lower Secondary English material are suitable for the student. I think it's enough. Thank you very much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.